Welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. Well, I just got a necessary thing for me in my kayak. Well, whenever you're pulling in a fish and it's frustrating and you can't get it in the kayak without losing it, you need a net. Now, I have a net, but it's got a hole in it. Look, it's a net with a hole in it. So, I bought a Madbite net. This is a folding net because only so many fishes are this skinny. I wish I was that skinny. So, there's a folding net. Let's take a look at it. So, first things first, it is a rubber-coated net. This is very, very important because if you get a lure like this and you toss it on there and it gets stuck on it because your fish is on it too. So your lure is going to be in, your hooks are going to be in here too. You want to be able to easily remove this from the net. And rubber coating does that. So I'm easily removing it as soon as I can see it. Black on black, not good. So, it's a sharp hook, So it's, yeah, there it goes. So it doesn't penetrate the actual fibers. It just goes through the holes. And that allows you to remove the lure from it. Now the cool thing is about it, it's folding. And it's got a belt loop. So if you wade out into the water or something like that, or go to the bank fish, anyway, it's right there with you. It's right on your belt. So this actually will just fold out, bam, boom, and there's my net. This is a 16-inch net. 16-inch. This is big. So, and I like the fact that the bottom of it is the same shape as the top of it, allowing the fish to nest easily in there without damaging it. So plenty of room. Cubic feet in here is actually pretty big. So very, very nice. To close it, you just move this little lever here. You just slide it down, and that's it. And it's closed. This is not an extending pole because I don't need one for my boat because I'm in a kayak. Now, if you're in a boat, then you need an extended pole. But in a kayak, you just need to go, that's all you got to do is, scoop it in. And I like the fact that it's got its own case, but the rubberized net is huge. And I love the fact that it's folding. This is a big plus. And on my kayak, there's only so much room. My big giant red net that I have now is big, a big one. The problem with that is that I just sort of drape it over the front of my kayak. But this is actually really nice. It'll fit my kayak better. It's handier. It's rubber coat. It doesn't have a hole in it. There's no hole in it. Got a bunch of little holes. But this is actually a really nice thing. Go to the link below. Madbite has got huge sales on right now in their store. So check them out. And you know where you'll find me, out on the water with my new net. Take care, everybody.